Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing chorizo stuffed chicken breast. Please leave a comment to let me know what you think of this video. And be sure to watch the whole video so you can see me cut into this and see just how juicy it really is. Let's start with butterflying each one of these chicken breasts. Always use the right tool for the job.
Oh, Poppy.
Okay, I'll switch to a sharp paring knife, girls. Keeping your fingers safely out of the way, let's slowly cut about 3/4 of the way through this chicken breast. Continue to cut through until they open up like a book and lay flat, and then do the other breast the same way. When you're done, they should look something like this. They're a little bit thicker here and there, like here and there. So let's cover them with a piece of saran wrap and take our tenderizer hammer and go to work. That one's nice and flat. Let's repeat the process on the other chicken breast. Okay, they're both done. Let's set them to the side and let's get ready to chop some vegetables. Ends off. Cut it in half. One finger in the front, two in behind. Use that front finger as a guide so you don't cut your fingers. Turn your onion using the front finger as the guide, two behind. Go ahead and chop that onion. One clove of garlic, the same way, one finger in the front, two behind. Go ahead and continue to
Chop them up.
Pan on.
Medium heat. A tablespoon
Of olive oil. 4 ounces chorizo. Let's break it all up. Make sure everything gets a nice sear on it. Looks like it's done, so let's go ahead and take it out of the pan.
A tablespoon
Of olive oil.
onion.
Into the pan. Now it's time to
Saute.
these onions until they start to soften up. And then we'll add the garlic.
Stir it together.
Then add the chorizo back in with the onion.
A tablespoon
Of red wine vinegar. And let that cook down for a couple of minutes. The pan off the heat and let it cool. Let's make that filling. 2 ounces of Parmesan. 4 ounces of cream cheese.
Stir it together.
That filling is done.
A teaspoon
Of paprika.
A teaspoon
Of black pepper.
A teaspoon
Of cayenne pepper.
A teaspoon
Of dried oregano.
A teaspoon
Of sea salt. And 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Just mix those up together and your rub is ready. Lay your chicken breast on a piece of saran wrap. Spoon on a couple of tablespoons of your filling. Add enough spinach leaves to cover the filling. Add several slices of cherry tomatoes. And we're going to slowly roll this chicken breast. Use the saran wrap to help you roll it nice and tight. Pull your saran wrap off and you're ready for the rub. Make sure you get plenty of rub on all of the chicken. Coat it really well. Tablespoon of oil. Lay your chicken breasts away from you so you don't splatter. Let's let them cook for at least 3 minutes before you turn them so you get a nice good sear. Make sure you get a good cook on all sides. Now it's time to put them in a 400-degree oven for 35 minutes. After I took it out of the oven, it's been resting here for 2 minutes. Let's see how it came out. As you can see, that chicken is juicy and tender. Thanks for coming, everybody. And as always,
like and subscribe.